Good morning, guys. Good morning to all. My voice is clear. Am I audible? My voice is clear. Am I audible? Please respond, anybody. Yeah, all right. All right, guys. Yesterday we discussed about framework. What is the framework? I was explained clearly. The framework is nothing but a set of rules. The rules we need to follow, and based on the rules, we need to complete the task. We need to complete the task. The framework is nothing but a set of rules. The rules we need to follow. And second one, based on the rules, we need to complete the task. That is we discuss. And the next one, there are different types of frameworks is there. The first one, modular framework. The second one, data-driven framework. The last one, third one, hybrid framework. We have a different types of frameworks is there. Okay, we have different types of frameworks is there. First of all, we are going to discuss about modular framework. We need to discuss about modular framework. There are different types. The first one is the modular framework. The second one is the data-driven framework. The third one is the hybrid framework. Hybrid framework. These are all comes under frameworks. In real time, we are able to use different types of frameworks. In real time, we are able to use different types of framework. First of all, we need to discuss about modular framework. What is the meaning of the modular framework? What is the meaning of the modular framework? Okay, see, you guys are observe clearly. If you want to use the modular framework, avoid the duplicate, avoid the duplicate steps. Avoid the duplicate steps. If you want to use the modular framework, avoid the duplicate steps. I said yesterday, guys, clearly, okay? We have a different users is there. Every user, we have a different users is there. Yeah. See, every user using username, password, login. Every user using username and password login. See, the same data we need to use repeatedly. In this time, I no need to use same duplicate data number of times. I no need to use same duplicate data number of times. Just I will provide inside of the modular framework only one time. The data I need to reuse, from modular framework. See, what is the advantages of modular framework? If you want to drag and drop one user to another user, the first user, the data automatically gone. If you want to drag and drop this data from one user to another user, the data is the first user unable, the first user, the complete data is gone. See guys, I want to drag and drop this data from one user to another user. When I drag and drop one user to another user, this username and password login is automatically gone. Why? Because whenever you do drag and drop, the time the second user able to get this data, the first user automatically gone the data. That is the process. See, by using modular framework, if you want to drag and drop anywhere from modular framework to anywhere, the modular framework having the data, the modular framework unable to go on the data. That is the process. So in this time, we need to use modular framework. Modular framework. What is the modular framework? The modular framework is nothing but set of rules. The modular framework is nothing but set of rules. Set of rules. The team need to follow that rules. Based on the rules, need to complete. This is the framework structure, and this is the modular framework information. Okay, see, this is the process. What is the modular framework? Now I need to create the modular framework. How I need to create the modular framework? You guys are observed. Okay, you guys are observed here. See guys, now I need to create the modular framework. If you want to create the modular framework, you need to create your workspace level. If you want to create the modular framework, you need to create workspace level. We need to create workspace level. Okay. See guys, this is how you guys are able to get the workspace. Just you need to click on the project. Then automatically you are able to get the workspace. Okay. Is it clear or not? Yeah. The next one, need to create the modular framework. How you guys are able to create the modular framework? You guys are observe step by step. You guys are need to observe step by step. Okay. The first step, I will show you before the document that framework. I will show you the structure. This is the TCP. This is the RTB. RTB means reusable test block. And this is the module. This is the module. This is completely is available inside of the Tosca inbuilt. This the TCP is available, RTB is available, module is available. This is completely is available inside of the Tosca. The next one. Based on this one, we need to create the test cases. We need to create the test cases. Okay. Once we create the test cases, based on the test cases, based on the test cases, based on the test cases, we need to, based on the test cases, we need to execute. We need to execute. We need to execute. Once we execute the test case, we need to log, we need to get the logs. We need to get the logs. We need to get the logs. Yeah. Based on, see guys, the setup already is there inbuilt in Tosca software. Based on this setup, we need to create the test cases. Based on this test case, you need to execute. Once you execute, we need to logs. We need to log the, we need to get the logs. This is the structure of the modular framework. This is the structure of the modular framework. This is here, we are able to create business parameters also. Under RTB, we are able to create business parameters also. Under RTB, we are able to create business parameters also. Okay. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Guys, please respond anybody. Please respond anybody. It is clear or not? Do you have any doubt? Please raise your hand or text me. I will repeat one more time. Anybody, I said clearly, you guys are respond. That is very important. Okay. When I ask anything yes or no, you guys are able to respond. That is the proper way. Guys, it is clear or not? Shall I repeat again? Yeah, I observe, guys. I observe. I know you people are not there in front of the system. So many people. Okay, that's why I put the mute. I did. Okay, you guys are just on the session. Just you are not there in front of the system. Okay. When I ask any question, you people are not respond. Just I need to check you people are is there or not. Just I put the mute. I did everything. Okay, guys, you are not there in front of the system. Why you people are doing like that? Why you people are doing like that, guys? When you guys are joined the session, then you guys are not there in front of the system. Okay, just I need to walk. I need to talking and continuously. When I ask any respond, you people are not respond. Okay, all right. Create the modular framework. Under modular framework, we need to create the configuration, execution, module, test case folders. Test case folders. And under module, what type of things is required? We need to drag and drop. I need this one. Just I need to drag and drop under module. What type of requirement is required? I need to drag and drop. Just only I did and open the application. Just I need to scan the application. Click on save. Click on close. And once I drag and drop, this is the registered related information. And this is the login related information. And after that, I need to scan. I need to scan. login and registered, and close. Okay, see guys, and this is the module. This is the modular framework. Under the modular framework, I need to create configuration, execution, modules, and test case. And after that, once we create the modules and go to the test case and go to the test case, and here in this test case, yeah, in this test case, first we create the module, and after that we need to go to the configuration. Once you go to the configuration, under configuration, right click here and click on this one. We need to provide the parameter. Under configuration, we need to provide the parameter. See guys, the first one is the application URL. You guys are able to provide this URL. Copy this URL. Browser, first browser. Under browser, we need to provide Chrome. Here we need to provide URL. The uname I need to provide here. The password. the username and password. And once we provide the username and password, see guys, you need to create the test case folder. Under test case folder, you need to choose the create a test step library. You need to create a test step library. Under library, you need to create a reusable test step block. Under library, we need to create a reusable test step block. Okay, reusable test step block. We need to create a reusable test step block, and we need to provide the information about this one. The first one is uh, the first one is the navigate the application navigate the application. The first one is the navigate the application. The second one is the login details. The third one is the register details. Registered details. Okay. The first one is the login detail, register detail. Last one is the close the active window. Close the active window. Okay. So you can login detail, navigate the application. Okay. Navigate the application and login details. Once you guys are provide the You guys are observed first, if you want to do the modular framework, we need to create these 4 folders. Once you guys are create these 4 folders and under execution, you don't need to provide under module which type of information is required. That information you need to store. And test case, under test case, right click on here, select the L symbol. Okay, library. Once you guys are select the library, right click on here and create a reusable test step block. Reusable test step block. These are all reusable test step blocks. These are all reusable test step block. Okay, the first one, navigate the application. The first one, navigate the application. Okay, see, just I need to provide navigate the application. See, if we want to navigate the application, you guys are observe here. See, this is the navigate the application. Drag and drop inside of the navigate the application. Drag and drop inside of the navigate the application. First of all, if you want to click on the login button, just you need to click on login button. Just you need to click on login button. Okay, just we need to click on login button. Once you guys are click on the login button, this is we need to provide first step. This is the last step. Okay, guys, you guys are up so clearly. I need to delete. Yeah. See, guys, this is the close the active window, login details. Okay, navigate to application, click OK, done. Okay, navigate to application is completed. And after that, you guys are observe. You guys are observe here. Once navigate is completed, and after that I want to click on the, I want to enter the login details. Right click on here, and you guys are observe here. Once you need to drag and drop the login details. See, where is the login? This is the login detail. You need to drag and drop to login detail. Once you guys are drop the login detail, right click on your and click on the business parameter. I said in this diagram, we need to use the business parameter also. We need to use the business parameter also. Right click on here, click on the business parameter. Under business parameter, we need to provide the first business parameter, uname, and second one, we need to provide password. Okay, second name, you need to provide password. Username and password you need to provide. Okay, this is the login, guys. Username and password you need to provide. Okay, see, in this time what we need to do, if you want to do this one, what is the username and what is the password? Okay, you guys are drag and drop here the username and the password. Okay, see, you guys are observe here. The password is the string. Just I need to change the password. I need to change here string. Then I will drag and drop the password. Drag and drop the password. Just I need to select the true and click on login button. Click on login button. Just I will provide, click on login button. And after that, if I want to do that, this is the login details. And if I want to do the, register detail. See, guys, this is the registered. Just you need to drag and drop the registered here. Just you need to drag and drop the registered here. Once you guys are drag and drop the registered here, you need to right click on the registered and click on the business parameter. Once you guys are click on the business parameter, you need to click on this one. What is the first one? First name, the first name, and second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, here we need to provide first name and last name. The next one is the email. The next one is the password. The next one is the password. Okay, not required password. And after that, what is the next one? After password and registered. That's it. Just I need to remove this one, not required. Okay. Now I need to do the drag and drop here. 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 Only email. No. Only email and only password. Just I need to change string. Now I will do the drag and drop here. Password. Just here I will provide the password. And after that, I need to click on the register. That's it. After that, I need to click on the register. Okay, and here registered related information is completed, and here login related is completed here. Okay, registered related is completed and login related is completed. Okay, just registered related one is missing. Just I need to change the gender. That's it. Close the active window. Right click here. We need to call this close browser. Close browser. That's it. Okay. We need to call here close browser and right click here parameter. Right click here business parameter. Okay. Then here we need to close. Yeah, close. Just a minute. All right. All right. Okay. Just I was created everything here. Just I was created everything here. Okay. I configure the setup the modular framework. I was configure this modular framework. Okay. Once I configure the modular framework, now I need to use modular framework information. Okay. Right click on here, click on the folder. This is the Anil. Okay, this is the Anil. In this Anil, I need to create different folder. I need to create different folder. Once I need to provide the application, I need to provide different folders. Okay. And one more folder I will provide here. Create a folder structure. Okay. The first one is the precondition. The next one is the process. The next one is the post condition. Okay. Precondition and I will, this is precondition and next one. Yes, here we are able to use that one precondition and post condition and process. Here we are able to use precondition and post condition. We are able to use. And after that, I need to create one folder. Okay. I need to create one folder. 1 minute. I need to create one folder, that is Anil folder. In this Anil folder, I will create one test case. In this test case, I need to create the subfolder. The first one is the precondition, and second one is the post process. The next one is the post condition. Post condition. Okay. Yeah, guys, you know, guys, what we need to provide under precondition. Under precondition, we need to launch the application URL. We need to launch the application URL. You guys are also under this one test case, launch the application URL. How you guys are able to get the launch application URL? Just you need to call the folder, create a test case. Under test case TC01, under test case 01, you guys are drag and drop. Okay. Yes. This is the folder structure. This is the test case folder. Under test case folder, I will create one test case. Once we create the test case, we need to provide the precondition. Right click here and add step, open URL. Open URL. You need to provide the URL. Open URL. And coming to here, open URL, you guys are provide CP and see guys, it is not reflected. It is not reflected here. This level, this folder level is configuration is not there. This folder level configuration is not there. Okay. See now. Now I need to drag and drop this folder level. See guys, everything will be reflected. Now, without this one, we are unable to configuration. You need to drag and drop. The configuration you need to drag and drop. Okay. The configuration you need to drag and drop. We are created in earlier. Okay. This one. The configuration we need to drag and drop. Okay. Team is there. Details is there. Okay. This is our details. Okay. This is we are able to call this one. Okay. See, this is our done. This is ours details. Just you need to open URL. Now you guys are observe here. Now it will be reflected automatically. See guys, app URL, app URL. That's it. And once the URL is completed, what I need to do, I want to click on the login button. I want to click on the login button. Navigate the application is there. Navigate the application is there. Okay. You need to click on the login button under process. Under process. You guys are provide. Navigate the login button. You need to provide under process. Once you guys are click on the login button, once you guys are click on the login button, you need to enter the login details. See guys, you need to enter login details. Okay. And if you want to enter login details, you need to drag and drop process. Not this one. 1 minute. You need to drag and drop. Yes. Under process, we need to drag and drop here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. See guys, under process, we need to drag and drop here. Login details. This is click on login button. Once click on the login button, I need to enter the username and password. How I need to enter the username and password? See, CP, and uname. No, that is not correct. Configuration level. Test configuration level. What I was passed, uname, uppercase. Not this one. I provided uname. Both is same. Okay. Both are same uname. Just here. Browser name, uname. Okay, just wait. I will enter the uname here. CP underscore. See guys, uname. That's it. And you guys are able to provide CP underscore. What is that one? Password. Okay, that is the password. Pass. That's it. And once we provide that one, we need to click on login. We need to click on login. And here, where is the login? Okay, that's it. Now I will execute. Just I will check and I will execute this one. Right click on here, run in Scratch. Launch the browser. Okay, we need to provide some weight. Once launch the application, we need to provide some weight, the box, weight, and here we need to provide 8,000. That's it. And right click here, run in Scratchbook. Demo web shop login could not find. Okay, I will execute one more time. I need to close this one. Right click on here, run in Scratch. That is the browser problem, guys. Now I will execute and now I need to click on login. Click on the login. No match tab was found. Demo web shop. I think that is the browser. Just I need to change browser. If I want to change, I need to write from scratch. Demo web shop login no match tab was found with following properties. Demo web shop login. Okay. Launch the URL. Okay, wait. And after that, what we need to do? Click on login button. Okay. And after that, once click on the login button, enter the data. Okay, done. That is the process. If Now I need to change the test configuration. Browser is the Chrome and username. Okay, username is okay, fine. Just I was changing the I need to launch the Chrome browser. Next step, click on login. Match top is found. Why it should be displayed minimize window. Okay. Right click on here and run in Scratch. Yeah. Okay. Login is unable to found. So, and here we need to choose the login. Just to convert to control. Okay. This is not possible in this time. Why? Because already we are using. Just I need to remove this one. Now I need to do. Now it is possible. Select option. Okay. The select option is the registered. Open URL. Okay. Wait. Okay. Click on login. Okay. Enter username and password. Okay. That's it. And again, right click on here. I will execute one more time. Run in Scratch. Demo workshop no matching was found. No matching tab was found with the following properties. Title demo web shop. Okay. Just a minute. I will okay. I will scan application. Select. Only login I will take. Yes. Yes. Only login I will take. Test case. Okay, web shop is the last one. This one I need to drag and drop under process. This is the process. Okay. Now I will remove this one, and I will provide the login. Okay. Once I provide the login, I enter the username and password. The main problem here, we configure here, we did the configuration is the not our that one. This is our okay. Details is our okay. So that is the problem. But we are unable to delete this one. So this time again I will execute. Okay, done. Right click here, run in Scratch. Yes, click on login. Yes, it is working, guys. This is we call modular framework. This is we call modular framework. If you want to do the modular framework, just you need to avoid the duplicate. Just you need to avoid the duplicate. Once you guys are avoid the duplicate, we need to provide, we need to drag and drop all the modular framework related information. Any folder from any folder, from modular framework to from any folder, we need to drag and drop. From modular framework to any folder, we need to drag and drop. Okay, this is the modular framework. At the same time, I want to create one more test case. At the same time, I want to create test case number 02. In this test case number 02, I will create the folders. The first one is the precondition. The next one is the post condition. Sorry, process. The next one is the post condition. Post condition. See guys, the URL is the common. You know, you need to provide the open URL is the common. Okay. Open URL is the common. What I need to call here? The time I need to call here CP app URL. App URL. I need to call app URL. This is the okay. And once I launch the application, just I will provide wait. Just I will provide wait. Wait also we are able to write here. You guys are observe. See, wait. Okay. Right click on here. Okay. Right click on here. The box. Wait. Here we need to call test configuration level. We need to call. Okay. Test configuration level. We need to call the wait. For example, 8,000. The box wait 8,000. Right click and parameter and business wait. Okay. Yeah. See, wait Now you guys are no need to provide. Just you need to drag and drop. Yeah, wait. Okay, just we need to drag and drop. Wait. Just we need to drag and drop. Wait. In configuration, this is the modular framework. Under the detail, we need to provide one more. Wait, weights. Here you need to provide 9,000. 9,000. Okay, 9,000. That's it. Now, test case number 1. You guys are also application URL. The next one, you need to drag and drop weight. You need to drag and drop weight. That's it. Under weight, you need to provide here CP bracket. Yeah. CP bracket. See guys, weights, that's it. Okay. CP bracket weights. It is done. The first one is completed. Precondition is completed. Launch the URL and put the weight is completed. And what next? We need to provide the process. What is the process? In this process, what is the first step? Click on the register. Click on the registered. Okay. See guys, I no need to use this one. Okay. Just I want to use right click here, scan application. Just I want to use this one. Click on registered. Click on registered. Save. Close. Open. Registered. Drag and drop inside of the process. Here, which action we need to apply? Click action. And once you click on the registered, what we need to do? I need to enter the register detail. How I need to get the register detail? I need to get from the modular framework. Drag and drop. Okay. You need to not here. Here. We need to wait reference. URL. Wait. Click on register. See guys, now you need to provide the first name, whatever you call. Now you guys are provide the first name. Already is there first name and last name inside of the configuration. There is no first name and last name. There is no first name and last name. Just you need to provide. Just you need to provide. and password. Just you need to provide Kumar testing. Not Kumar. Kumar 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Just you need to provide Kumar 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you guys are click on the registered button or not? Very good. All right. Everything is fine. Click on registered. Everything is as per our expected. Now I need to execute the test case number 2. Launch the browser. Just I was change. Click on registered. And click on register. That's it. It is completed. Okay. The specified email already exists. Okay. Anil123 already is exit. So we need to write one more email ID. We need to write one more email ID. Okay. One two zero. Okay. Now I will execute. Before execute test configuration, I no need to launch file. I want to execute Chrome. Just click on the registered. Wait. Click on registered. Enter the data. Click on registered. The test case is successful. The test case is successful. How to create the modular framework. If you want to create the modular framework, how to reuse the modular framework. I was reuse this one. I was reuse this one. Why? Because every time I need to enter this information is routine. So that's why I need to reuse the modular framework. Okay. Is it clear, guys? I am expecting you people are able to understand. Okay. I'm not asking number of times, guys. You people are not respond. Okay. I was asking number of times. When I'm asked number of times, you people are not respond. Okay. So just 1 or 2 times I will ask. You people are able to respond. Okay. I'm happy. You are unable to answer. I'm also happy. Okay. Is it clear? You guys are able to understand? Yeah. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow. The notes, I will continue the notes tomorrow. Okay. Bye. Any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Any doubts? Thank you. Bye.